Went to the restroom.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing another video dedicated to science, but it's more about Isaac Newton than anything else. So, Isaac Newton was a famous philosopher, mathematician, founder of gravity, and founder of three laws of motion. Born January 4th, 1643 as Sir Isaac Newton in the United Kingdom, died March 31st, 1727 in the United Kingdom. I know he's staying in the same place, but he got around very often. This man created the three laws of motion in 1686, but what he didn't know was that these three laws of motion become some of the biggest terms in American and everywhere else in the world. He created the foundation for many of our different standards that we talk about in 8th grade and 6th grade. He basically created science himself. He's like the founding father of science, but I'll talk about another video. The equation for net force and the net force structure itself is F net equals ma, and I know what you're saying, sounds a little odd, but that is the net force equation, and that creates or tells you how much stuff is in the net force, or in the force of two objects pushing each other, which goes into the third law of motion. First law of motion is an object will not move unless moved. An example of this is basically you push something and you keep pushing it and it moves. That's basically the first law of motion. The second law of motion is the acceleration of an object depends on the net force and the mass of the object. Basically saying if you push it and if it goes faster and faster, the force you use to push it makes it go faster, and it depends on that acceleration or pushing of basically the pushing of an object. And the third law of motion, which everyone goes up against, and is basically like everyone knows, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And this is basically you punch someone and the guy gets back up and punches you again. It basically is an endless cycle of fighting, or an endless cycle of force. In the next few minutes, we're gonna be talking about in slides how force is used, and some examples. Alright,